Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a collective reading and it is going to be of is your person missing you right now? So this is going to be a collective reading and a general reading. So it might not resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. And yes, we are going to focus more on your person's feeling like are they missing you? If they are missing you, what they are thinking about you, what's going to be their next action. So we will clarify all that. So yeah, let's see. Is your person missing you? Whomsoever you're dealing with, are they missing you? What they're thinking about you? Are they missing you? The Sun. Oh my God, beautiful. The Magician. Two of Cups. Beautiful card so far. Two of Pentacles. The World, beautiful, and Eight of Wands. Oh my God, all the cards so far are so beautiful. So I think you might be dealing with a water sign, earth sign, or fire sign. It can also be air sign. Okay, so these readings are not sign specific. So yeah, I definitely see like from the very first card, they feel happy, like they feel enlightened when they think about you. You're their happiness, so all they think is about you. They're manifesting you with this Magician. I'm definitely seeing they are expecting some sort of magic. Maybe things are not quite going well with you, both of you, so they are expecting magic in this connection. They are expecting something more, something better. They feel happy talking to you. They are wanting to talk to you. They are wanting to communicate to you. Maybe if you are not in a communication from a very long time, they will communicate to you within a week. Okay, definitely they want partnership. They want to be with you. They want things to happen, and all they are manifesting is I really don't know if this person knows what manifestation is, but they are manifesting you. The Magician with Two of Cups, this person is just thinking about you all the time. They want to manifest you in their life. They want this partnership, this beautiful companionship with you. They love you. Maybe you both are soulmates. Okay, and they want an equal give and take in the relationship. They have everything you want. They have everything you want to give you. They definitely miss you because they want reconciliation. I definitely see you both coming back together in near future, both reconciling. So the World card is also about you maybe in long distance relationship with this person. Maybe yeah, maybe you met over social media, and yeah, I'm definitely seeing this person is manifesting you. They even may be planning to come and meet you because the World card is here. Maybe you are in long distance relationship and they're wanting to come to your city or state and meet you, maybe your country. Yeah, I'm also seeing maybe this person is doing a lot of things. There are a lot of things on their plate right now. Maybe they are working, maybe they are studying, maybe they are doing some things. So many things are going on in their life, but still they are thinking about you. You feel as if they feel as if you're their happiness with the Sun card. You make them feel lighter, you make them feel brighter, and all they want is you. All they expect is love from you. All they want is happiness from you. Yeah, I think they want to balance out things with you, definitely. The next action is going to be communication within a week. Definitely in this month of August, many of you are going to expect communication because this is Eight of Wands, this is number 8, and August is the 8th month of the year, and I'm definitely seeing this person will communicate with you in the month of August itself. So yeah, that is a good news for many of you. And this person wants stability with you. They want to take this relationship to a next level. They want to bring things, they are just thinking all about you. They are obsessed, like not in a bad way, in a good sense. They're obsessed over you. They want to bring that happy old days back when you both were talking, when you both were together, and that is what they are manifesting, brighter happy days. Okay, let me pull some more cards. How is this person exactly feeling? How are they feeling? Yeah, how are they feeling? Exactly feeling. Three of Cups. I think they want to celebrate, they want to dance with you, they want to sing with you, they want to just be happy go lucky. I feel this bright positive energy radiating from their side. They feel you are their happiness. They are happy when they are with you. They are complete when they are with you. They feel as if you are their happiness. They want to celebrate with you. Maybe you have birthdays, anniversaries in the month of August, or maybe next 3 months. So they are wanting to commit to you. They are wanting to celebrate with you. They are, even they may be surprising, planning surprises for you in the next coming months. Maybe there are many of you who have anniversaries or maybe birthdays in the next 3 months. Yeah, so yeah, they want to just celebrate and get along with you. The Hermit. This person is reflecting, this person is growing, this person is spiritually awakening, is what I can see so far. They are reflecting onto things. Maybe they are away from you and now they have got that time to reflect on things, on this relationship, on this connection, what you are to them, what value you add to them. And that is why they are manifesting you, because they know your worth now. They know how important you are to them. And I think they have done thinking and wanting to come back and offer you something. Yeah, what I see here is definitely this person has got a lot of realizations. Okay, this is about realizations too. They have matured enough to understand how deep this connection and how intense this connection is and could be. Okay, so yeah, what more do we have for this person's energy? What more do we have? King of Wands. I think they want to come back leading. They want to show how they can lead this relationship, how they can take things further. They are capable of taking things further, and they are in this masculine energy where they want to just take over, dominate, and dominate in a good sense. Like they want to be, naughty with you, do those things with you. They are sexually attracted right now, so they want to take that action. They want to take that leadership, and they're not going to sit back and just reflect on things. They are going to take action too. Yeah, coming on the ground and taking action, one to one. Okay, yeah, so definitely. Chariot. Riding, they're just rushing in. They just want to rush in your life. They want to they know your goods and bads. They have understood. They have come to many realizations. Maybe this person was not knowing you much better. Now they do, and they are rushing in. They want to just come back and get you back at any cost. So that is what they will be doing in the next 3 months. For many of you, it is going to be very quickly. Like they are going to rush in, text, call, messages, or maybe they even might be coming to meet you. Yeah, many of you. Temperance. I told you, this person wants balance with you. They want to bring balance, equal give and take. Maybe you were the only one who was giving, and they were just taking it and robbing you of your energies, and now they want to give it back. They have everything. Like they have the sea of love, and they are balancing out things, taking it to the higher level, and just making everything a better scene you're going to see with this person. What more do we have from this person's side? How are they feeling about this person? Okay, again, Temperance. I definitely see this person has come to, some realizations, and they have understood your worth. They want to give in this relationship. They want to pour in your cup. They want to give you the love you always deserved, but they did not give you back then. And this is about coming back. This is about returning. Okay, I'm seeing that they are returning back to you. They are coming back to you. They are packing their bags and, coming to meet you. So they are missing you, definitely. From the whole scenario, what I can get here is maybe this was the person who left you in the cold, and now they are returning back. They have realized they have nothing. They are not happy when they are not with you. You are their happiness. One more card. Yeah, I think this person, for some of you, maybe this person was cheating you. That is why Two of Pentacles came here. Maybe they were juggling you with the other person, and now they just want to unfold all the blindfolds you have on your eyes, and they want to speak up their truth. They want to come out of this third party situation. If they were into a third party situation, they are coming out and coming back to you. For many of you, Okay, so definitely good news for many of you. World, this is the last card, the world. I'm seeing this person wants reconciliation. Many of you, this person is going to definitely come and meet you, surprisingly knocking at your doorstep when you're not even expecting it. So this is going to happen for many of you. Maybe they stay in another city, the state, or another country. Maybe they are staying overseas, and they're going to come and see you with surprises, maybe offer you something, a date, anything. Like, this is going to be beautiful. A reconciliation circle is going to complete, some completion is going to happen, and yeah, definitely good news. What advice do we have for you? Let's see, what advice do we have from the power of love activation? What you need to do, what you need to do from your side to improvise this connection, what you need to do. Satisfaction, you let the energy of love guide you to self-approval so that others no longer define who you are. I think you need to be satisfied with who you are. You need to understand fully, totally of who you are. When you, when you value yourself, when you know your worth, then same things start happening in your life. You attract the same people, and if you're not quite happy and satisfied with where you are, then the same things are going to attract to you, okay, come to you. And more message. Transformation. You use the power of love to move through illusions and shift into awareness. I think this is the period of awareness. This is a period of transformation, a shift. Some things are going to shift in your life. Maybe this person is coming back with something new to offer. A new cycle is about to begin. Maybe they are going to offer you something that they have never offered you in the past. So yeah, definitely, if this person wasn't missing you, they won't be having so many feelings going crazy around. Okay, so yeah, definitely missing you. Let's see, what advice do we have for you from my handwritten messages? What advice do we have for the viewer? What advice do we have? What advice do we have, please? Okay, management. Maybe you need management in some areas of your life. So it can be anything, like your work, your money, your finances, anything. Meditation. I think you will find your answers in meditation. When you will be quiet, when you will be with yourself, you will find every answer to your every question. Okay, you might even receive some omens and signs during meditation. Pregnancy, maybe good news is coming. Maybe this was the person who left you, impregnated you and then left you, so they are coming back. Yeah, many of you. Or good news, choosing you. I told you, they even might be, for some of you, they might be juggling you with the other person, and now they are coming back, choosing you, staying strong in their choices. Yeah, call or text. I told you, you might receive a call or a text from this person unexpectedly. One more message. Stability. Now is the time for stability. No more going out and coming in your life. They are offering you stability. Okay, I hope this reading helped you in some way or shape or form. I just want, some of you have got clarity in this reading, from this reading, so that was what I wanted. And yeah, if you like this reading, please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, and yes, see you in next video.